In this video, you'll learn how to link your bank account to Binance. This process is essential for managing your funds effectively within the platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Sign into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon, which is typically found in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on your profile, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Fiat Settings. This is where you will initiate the process of adding a new bank account. Next, select the option to add a new bank account. Before proceeding, ensure that your account verification is complete. This step is crucial as it prevents any restrictions during the linking process. Be aware that Binance supports different banks based on your region, so it is advisable to review the supported bank transfer options carefully. This will help you avoid any issues when linking your account. After selecting to add a new bank account, you will be prompted to enter your bank account details, fill in the requested information accurately, ensuring that the account holder name matches the name on your Binance account. Pay close attention to any required bank codes or IBAN details, as inaccuracies can lead to delays in the verification process. Once you have entered all the information, submit it for verification. In some regions, Binance may require a small test transfer to confirm ownership of the bank account. Once you've submitted your bank account details, you will need to wait for Binance to verify this information. During this time, you can check the payment methods section to confirm that your bank appears as linked. If available, you may also perform a small test deposit or withdrawal to ensure everything is functioning correctly. It is advisable to monitor your transaction history for confirmation of successful linking. Keep records of any successful verification, as this information may be useful if issues arise. If the verification process fails for any reason, you should reach out to Binance support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and guide you through the necessary steps to resolve it. Successfully linking your bank account enables you to manage your funds more effectively on Binance.